Radio technology dispenses with expensive cables, transmitting data wirelessly and securely, with a 30% lower cost of installation and with a 20 to 80% reduction in installation time, depending on whether in a new build or a retrofit. With self-powered, batteryless technology, there's no need to stockpile, install, replace, or dispose of expensive batteries. Zero maintenance, no pollution, and no need for power cables either. Good for a smaller carbon footprint, and an important step towards meeting society's climate goals. A broad range of interoperable, wireless, self-powered, smart products are available from many different suppliers for all kinds of building automation, all based on the open international wireless standard IEC ISO 14543-3-10 or 11. Switches, sensors and controllers for lighting, climate control, security and all kinds of monitoring systems reduce energy consumption, increase comfort, improve security and enhance flexibility. In addition, peel and stick placement allows for free positioning of devices for quick installation and maximum flexibility.